everybody, it's Larry. Welcome to 2 Minute Tips. So here we go. Let's get it going. Got the clock going. All right, so we've all talked about on the search how you can hit search and do all collections and bring up the search page. And I told you, like when you enter Clarence Brown, if you don't enter, do the auto enter or select, then sometimes you're missing some of the, people that you could get, some of the information that you would get by not clicking on Clarence Edmund Brown. But I'm going to teach you a faster and better way of doing that. So it's much easier because you don't have to type stuff. That's the best part. So we're going to go to Clarence Edmund Brown, and when you click on a person in your tree, and this works for anybody in your tree, so you need to get into a habit of working out of your tree. Man, this would make a great blooper reel. Click on Clarence Edmund Brown and see right here where it says search. If you click search from your tree, it's like typing it all in, but without all the typos and the mistakes that I had before. And it brings in all that extra information. See, we look at the other search, all this information was brought in for me, and I didn't have to click in the drop down and do the search. And then it also gives me the benefit of all the sliders. And you've seen the video about how with all the different notches that you can start, some with 4, some with 6, there's over 10 million combinations that you can get here. Well, you get all the sliders that are available if you search from the tree. So get in the habit of going to your tree, and whoever you're working on, let's say James Larkin McFarland, I click on search from the tree, okay? And then it's going to enter all of his information, put it in there for me, so I get all of the sliders so that I can find the information. And, well, I guess I'm just going to smile for the next 21 seconds because that's all for this 2-minute tip.